In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lookup function in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to set up your data, enter the formula, and understand exactly what the result means so you can use it confidently in your own sheets. First, make sure the data you're searching through is sorted in ascending order. This is essential for the lookup function to behave correctly. If your search values are numbers, sort from smallest to largest. If they're text, sort A to Z. Lookup uses this order to find the closest match, so if the column or row isn't sorted, you may get unexpected or incorrect results. It's also a good idea to keep your headers in row 1 and your actual data starting in row 2 so your ranges are clean and consistent. Next, choose the value you want to find. In cell D2, type the value you're searching for. This could be a score, an ID, or any other key. Think of D2 as the search key. If your sheet already has a list of values you'll look up repeatedly, D2 can be the input cell you change as needed. Now enter the lookup formula. Click cell E2 and type as lookup D2, A2, A5, B2, B5. Press enter. This tells Google Sheets to search for the value in D2 within the range A2, A5 and then return the corresponding result from B2, B5. If you're using different ranges in your sheet, just adjust those references accordingly. To be clear about the ranges, A2, A5 is your search range, the column or row that contains the values you want to look up. B2, B5 is your result range, the parallel column or row where the information you want to return lives. These two ranges must be the same size and aligned, meaning the first item in A2 corresponds to the first item in B2, the second to the second, and so on. If they're mismatched, you'll get errors or wrong results. A quick note on how lookup decides what to return. It looks for your exact value in the search range. If it doesn't find an exact match, it returns the closest value that does not exceed your search key based on the ascending order. That's why sorting matters so much. If your results seem off, double check that the search range is sorted and that your numbers are stored as numbers, not text. If your data grows over time, remember to expand your ranges or use larger ranges to cover future entries. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used lookup in Google Sheets.